Sorry to keep you waiting.
May I please?
Yes.
Well, item number 8, madam. Later, I raised the issue bias of the egg, madam. I need some time, madam. It needs some preparation. So, may I pray, madam?
Item 8.
8. Madam, may kindly-
You are the appellant?
Yes, madam.
You are Mr.
Arsenal, madam.
Okay.
Madam, a fixed date may kindly be given, madam. Preferably, madam.
What about the other side? If
the government I have taken the consent?
Yes, Mr. Tapin.
18 March, madam.
Mr. Al-Suna, the learned counsel for the appellant, seeks adjournment of the case on 18/3/2024.
Yes.
Listed accordingly.
No, okay. Much.
My lordship, I'd like to mention item number 9. Due to some medical issues, learned counsel T. Tanks unable to appear before this honorable court. The matter may be listed after following.
T. Tayang.
T. Tang. 9.
Tayang is the counsel for the
Victim.
victim.
Yes.
Respondent too.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, okay. Mr. Sonsok, learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. T. Tayang, the learned counsel for the respondent number 2, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks on the ground that Mr. T. Tayang is indisposed. Prayer is allowed, listed after 2 weeks.
Let it be after 3 weeks, your lordship.
Listed after 3 weeks. Okay, okay. Okay, 3 weeks.
Deeply observed.
Yes.
My lord, this item number 1, my lord, if your lordship peruse the prayer and the affidavit filed by the central government, well, it's become infractious. What exactly they sought in this PL is, my lord, is an inquiry to be conducted by the ED, my lord. And either ED or my lord, CBI, my lord. Since the matter has been already endorsed to the CBI and the ED already taken the cognizance. So in that count, my lord, this matter become infractious, my lord.
CBI is seized of the matter now.
Yes, my lord. Even ED also, they are
The
already.
petitioner.
Maybe because of that, my lord, they are not more interested. Could be, my lord.
Let us give them a chance.
Last time we given, my lord.
Yes,
Last time also they didn't appear, my lord.
last order, let us see the last order.
Perhaps
30.
30/11. Last order, no?
None appears for the petitioner. Mr. R.H. Nabam, learned additional advocate general, appears for the state respondents. Listed after? Can we give a date? Listed after 2 weeks, 3 weeks?
3 weeks, my lord, no issue.
Listed after 3 weeks. Okay.
Lordship, actually the service of respondent 14 is complete now. Service upon respondent 14 is complete now.
14.
Yes. And the matter may be fixed for hearing.
Service upon, this is item 2 and 3.
Yes.
Service upon respondent number
14 is complete.
Who is
We
14?
were waiting for this respondent only.
AD card in respect of is returned back to this registry after causing service.
Yes.
Who is respondent 14?
It's the private respondent.
Private respondent.
Yes.
The rest are all state respondents?
Pardon?
The rest are all state respondents?
No, there are other private respondents also, and state also.
My lord, state is 2 part, my lord. One is represented to me, another is by my brother, my lord.
Education department.
You are the standing counsel.
Yes, my lord. My lord, I've been newly engaged in this case, my lord. Earlier it was conducted by my lord, my colleagues, my lord. So, my lord, the required the petition copy has also not been served to me, my lord. So I required that requisite copy, my lord. The service copy.
No, we have already.
You take over the file from the
My lord,
previous council.
I made an inquiry, my lord. He has only had only one copy in respect number, item number 3, my lord, and that too, not IA has not been given to him, and also item number 2, both appeal as well as IA has not been furnished, my lord. So that's why, my lord.
You
I
can
request
furnish.
my-
No, it's
You
just,
can furnish.
yes,
Okay.
yes, and we provide. Matter may fix for hearing.
My lord, admission hearing, because I have to take instruction on Peruz's
Admission hearing,
because the
that's
court is not with me, my lord.
Okay, admission hearing.
Nothing is ready and you want admission hearing.
My lord, that's why, my lord, I have to go through the case file, and since the appeal memo is not.
I will
with me,
provide you
that's-
with all the copies.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so, you are
Yes, Saxena,
K. Saxena. The learned counsel for the petitioner
appellants.
shall serve the requisite copies of the writ petition as well as the IA
Yes, yes.
to
The standing counsel. is T.
Mr.
Tagum.
So-and-so,
Yes.
T. Tagum, to Mr. T. Tagum, learned counsel, standing counsel for the
Education Department.
education department.
And my lord.
When?
3 weeks.
Oh,
Earlier
no,
possible.
no, within 2 days,
Within a period of
2 days,
2 days from today. Listed for
admission hearing.
admission hearing after 3 weeks.
My lord, may direct registry to reflect my name, my lord.
The
Instead of Tagum Jamo, my name is reflected, my lord.
name of Mr. So-and-so shall be reflected in the daily course. The name of so-and-so as the standing counsel for the so-and-so shall be reflected in the daily course list. Stop registry to take steps accordingly.
Okay.
Who is R4? Respondent number 4.
Yes, your lordship, notice upon,
Respondent number 4. Chief Estate Officer, come Deputy Commissioner. You are appearing for the,
1, 2, and 3, your lordship,
who is for the petitioner?
your lordship. No idea, your lordship.
None appears for the petitioner. Listed of the 3 weeks.
Oblige, your lordship.
My please, my lord.
Yes, please.
My lord, after going through the compilation filed by the state respondent, the subject matter of this PL seem to be infectious. However, I have to take instruction from the my
Yes,
client.
yes, you have to. Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner seeks adjournment for 2 weeks on the ground that he requires further instructions from the petitioner, listed accordingly.
Ma'am,
What
yes,
is
ma'am.
this, IA?
My lord, yes, my lord, this IA may be disposed of, my lord, this IA is just for my lord formal permission from this honorable court, because my lord, while filing the main the PL, my lord, this in the cause title, respondent number 5 was not reflected. So that only I want to insert, my lord. So this must only show for the IA is concerned. Because the respondent number 5 is the department, but they have not been shown in the course title. So, my lord, I don't hope that any objection from the other part side also. So this may be disposed of, my lord. And I may be allowed to insert the particular amended portion in the post title only. Particularly, my lord, the director of the Department of the Planning and the Government of Arunachal Pradesh, the director of the Department of Planning, my lord. So this need to be, my lord, added in the course title. But so far the last observation of the court is concerned, that court sought for formal permission, my lord, by the, in the form of I. So, my lord, this I is being filed. Yeah. Planning.
If we allow you the amendment petition,
My
will you not be filing recast petition?
lord,
Will you not be filing a recast PIL?
no. My lord, I have a limited period that in the.
Then in that case, your petition will, everything will be jumbled up here
No,
and there.
no, my lord. My lord, that is clear, my lord. But I have, my lord, the
What is
limited,
the High Court's direction?
my lord. Earlier that, my lord,
What is the High Court's direction? I think there is some new direction from the High Court for amendment. Because everything is entered in the CIS. I think there is the latest for amendment. So what do you want to amend? What do you want to amend? Your prayer shows nothing. Well, just look at your prayer.
My lord,
I think this is not a high court drafting. Look at your prayer.
my lord, that I have my prayer with.
We are not able to get the head and tail. That is why we are wasting much time on this IA.
My lord. But
You
my
see
lord,
your prayer, what is your prayer?
my prayer is, my lord.
You read your prayer first,
My lord.
whether we
Like
will
the
be able to
circumstances of
understand.
the prayer about applicant may kindly allow to insert the phrase in the course title and the prayer portion of the main petition and permitted to insert the amended portion in the concerned page of the petition of the above petition accordingly. So, my lord, initially, my lord, we used to make the amendment,
There
we
is
used
no
to,
any praise in the petition, no?
Mhm.
There is no any praise. What have I do? Amendment in the main petition in the instant. Particular page is pertaining to amendment, no specifically not saying. What is this?
my lord, what has been pointed
So
out,
I think you have to come with a proper application.
my
We are not able to understand the head and tail.
what have been, my lord, pointed from the other side that
What
they-
amendment do you want? The board had given you the liberty to
My-
amend. You have
my-
filed this amendment application. But what amendment do you want?
my lord, I want to insert the course title to the particular department, which has not been in the course title. And secondly, my lord, in page, 3, where, my lord, where in the sum of this sum needs to be, my lord, the page para, my lord, will find that the sum of only, that the amount should have been inserted.
Include all those and bring your petition.
My-
application. Okay, list it after 2 weeks.
Then, my lord, in such situation, my lord, I may be allowed to this IA and I'll file the fresh.
Arey bhai. Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the applicant is allowed to withdraw the IA with liberty to file afresh.
My lord.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah? Yeah. I did that.
But we have to see the last order. What was the last order passed in?
Last order, my lord, it was passed on 19-1, but
what
because
is it?
Justice Kardak was the counsel for the respondent, so he could not appear.
Okay,
So he did not pass any order.
okay,
He recused himself.
okay. Are you sure?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
It is in the order. Obliged.
When do you want it?
Oh, 15 March.
15 March.
Yes,
Okay, okay.
obliged.
May I, Your Lordship?
Yes, please.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, Your Lordship. May it be fixed after a week, Your Lordship.
You are the counsel for the
Respondent, Your Lordship.
government advocate,
Yes, Your Lordship, 1 and 2, Your Lordship.
Mr. Sensor. The learned government advocate seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed. Let's check accordingly. Okay.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
May I, my lord? My lord, item number 27, my lord. This item may be listed on 21 of this month, my lord. On 21.
What is so auspicious on 21st?
My lord, the conducting counsel will be available on 21. He is now out of session.
Okay. You are the counsel for the
Petitioner. T. Kamchi. I'm on behalf of T. Gadu, my lord.
T.
T Gadi. I'm on behalf of T Gadi.
T. Gadi.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. T. Gadi. The learned counsel for the petitioner
Petitioner, my lord.
and seeks adjournment of the case on 21/2/2024. Listed accordingly. Okay.
Much obliged.
Your Honor.
Yes, please.
And I'd like to mention item number 6.
6.
Yes. I'm for the petitioner, Your Honor. The leading counsel is suffering from some health issues. So,
Item 6.
yes, Your Honor.
Who is the leading counsel?
Neelam Tajia.
Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Nilam Taji, counsel, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case,
3 weeks, Your Honor.
and seeks adjournment of the case for 3 weeks on the ground that Mr. Nilam Taji, the learned counsel, is indisposed. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Obliged.
May it
Ma'am?
may it please your lordship. Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 25 and 26. I'm on behalf of learned counsel, Mr. M. Pertin. Matter may be released after 3 weeks.
Your good name?
B. Mema.
MS So-and-so. Makes a mention on behalf of Mr. M. Burton,
Yes,
the
Your
learned
lordship.
counsel, and seeks adjournment of the case after 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
deeply obliged.
Okay.
May I, my lord? I beg to mention item number 4. On behalf of K lawyer for the respondent number 5 and 6. My lord, matter may be listed after 2 weeks as
Respondent number
respondent number 5 and 6.
5 and 6. Mr. So-and-so, you, the learned counsel, makes a mention on behalf of K lawyer, the learned counsel for the respondent number 5 and 6, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Much obliged.
May I appear, Your Lordship?
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 8, my lord. Here in this matter, my lord, in regard to respondent number 8 and 9 or 9 and 10 service report is awaited. my lord. Let this matter listed after 4 weeks.
Mr. Tara, you are for?
I am for the
Is one of the
R2.
respondent.
I'll file my
He has
counter.
filed counter, I have to file rejoinder to that.
3 weeks.
What about the other, what about the other?
Other state government, they have filed.
My lord, we have
Mr.
filed our
Nawal?
affidavit long time
They
back.
have also filed.
Yes, ma'am. we have
Very
filed.
unusually for the government.
I'm sorry, madam.
Very unusually for the government.
Man, we have already filed, my lord. Long time back, my lord.
Okay. So who is to be served?
Private respondent.
Private respondent, this is 8, 9 and 10.
You take that.
8, 9 and 10.
9 and 10 only.
You take steps once again,
Lordship.
okay?
Along with Dusty.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner for service of notice upon respondent 8, 9 and 10.
Only
By-
9 and 10, my lord.
8, 9 and 10, 9 and 10 by registered post as well as by dusty process within a period of today. So, for the petitioner. Surrender to the affidavit filed by the respondent number
2 and state respond.
filed by the respondent by the state respondent as well as by the respondent number 2. Listed accordingly.
My lord, there is an interim order, my lord.
Then stop the interim order passed earlier. Next, return.
Obliged. Obliged.
Well, what is this?
May I please, your lordship? May I please, your lordship? Lordship, this application was initially moved on 7/2/2024, lordship. In the last occasion, lordship has seek a direction from the department whether the order passed by the respondent authority which is being under challenge before this honorable court is maintainable or not, Lordship. Now, Lordship, the fact of the case is that, Lordship, NIT was issued on 11/8,
Let us see the last order. What last order has been passed?
Lordship.
Nothing of that sort was passed. Last order says possible for the day.
Yes, Lordship.
You are challenging what?
I'm challenging the impugn order, Lordship will find at page number 27, Lordship,
Page 27.
at Excel G, Lordship. The petitioner, your Lordship, will find at serial number, close to, Lordship, the JG Enterprise, Lordship. What happened, Lordship?
This is also a case where LOI 82 was issued to you.
Yes, Lordship. LOI issued and
That has been
thereafter,
stayed.
no, Lordship.
Now
In this matter, Lordship, there is no litigation before this honorable court, Lordship. This is the first litigation, Lordship, filed by me, Lordship, by challenging this order, Lordship.
no, but the LOI 82 has been stayed. No?
No, Lordship, that is in the other.
You were saying
petitions.
that you were making a mention on that.
No, my lord, in this case, there's a different facts, my lord.
They're completely different.
Lordship.
Then
Yes.
why have we directed it to be listed along with so and so?
Well, in this, in the item number 2, my lord, they have challenged the LOI.
That's-
This
Item 2.
yes,
Yes,
item
ma'am.
2, they have challenged the LOI.
May I
This
clear-
is the read petitioner here.
No. In this
Item number 1, Lordship.
58,
Lordship.
Yes,
58. In 58, why was it directed to be listed along with WPC 58 AB
No, I-
2024? Why was it directed? I
because,
think this court would not so moto pass such an order unless
No,
there
no.
is some submission made by.
yes, I have made the submission. Actually, my lord, what happened, I sought time from this honorable court to seek instruction
Ah,
regarding this, page 27
ah,
of the read petition, my lord.
ah.
Meanwhile, what happened? Yesterday, this matter was come, my lord, WPC 63, my lord. These are the same package, my lord. Regarding the same package, my lord. In the same package, item number 2 was filed to, was listed tomorrow, my lord. Yesterday. And they are challenging the LOI. my lord. So I said, well, because the same issue is pending before this honorable court and is going to be listed today, my lord. So I prayed this item number 2 maybe clubbed together, my lord.
So 58 is different.
58 is different, but same package, my lord.
No, 58 is a different package. Item
No,
number 1 is for the.
Item 1 and 2, well, the same package.
That's
Item 1, 2 is same package.
This item 1 and 2.
Yes,
That's right.
for the same package, mount. For the same work.
Yes. May I, Lordship? Lordship, may,
Let me understand first.
Yes, ma'am. My lord, what happened? There are 6 or 7 CD block, my lord. For each CD blocks, the tender was issued.
No,
NIT
no,
was.
let me just try to clarify. Same package means for the same work.
Yes,
So that means in 63, the parties are also in 58. Is it like that?
issue, yes, my lord, but item 58, item number 1, WPC 58, here the issue made by the petitioner is bit different, my lord. He is challenging here in the only page 27, my lord, the order dated, communication letter dated 2 February 24.
That I have understood.
Yes, my lord.
Now, who are the, who, Takyo.
Takyo.
Is there a party in this 58?
No, my lord, he is not necessary party here.
Lordship.
Yes.
GJ Enterprises, is there a party in this 58?
Yes,
Yes, Lordship.
yes,
He is a private respondent.
yes.
Let me just clear, Lordship. Just give me 2 minutes if you're.
I have, just wait,
Lordship.
before you clear, let me understand.
My lord.
Lordship.
So in 58,
My lord.
the petitioner is challenging the withdrawal of the agreement,
Lordship.
Yes, my lord.
correct?
Yes, my lord.
And in 63,
Yes, my lord.
the petitioner is challenging the LOI,
Yes, my lord.
which is more or less the same as in the previous writ petition.
Yes.
49/2024.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Yes.
But now we are with instruction, my lord. At that moment of time, my lord, I was not without, with instruction, my lord.
Your instruction is on?
My instruction is there in the writ petition, my lord, 58, item number 1, my lord. My lord, page 21, my
What
lord.
is your instruction 58?
Page 21, my lord.
Ah,
Page 21 will clarify, my lord.
what is your instruction? Let
My
me
lord, this,
just read.
this, my lord, cooperative statement, my lord,
Ah,
which they have been prepared by the joint director, my lord, by the headquarter, my lord,
ah.
on 5th January 2024, and the comparative statement, my lord. This statement has not been challenged, my lord, though they have only challenged the LOI, my lord. Because by virtue of this comparative statement, L1 was conferred to the petitioner in item number 1, my lord. Now again, my lord, this agreement also, it has not been challenged, my lord, in item number 2, my lord. So, my lord,
Why, see, just answer me, why after giving him the LOI,
yes, my lord,
after executing the agreement
yes, my lord,
and the supply order,
yes, my lord.
everything completed, thereafter, why withdraw the agreement?
Yes, so there, regarding item number 1, I have instruction, my lord, to allow the writ petition, my lord.
Item 2,
Yeah, item 1, my lord.
item 1.
Yes, my lord, because, my lord, this is a complete act of insubordination, my lord.
That's what.
My lord, the subordinate officer cannot seek clarification from the superior authority, my lord. This is the page 27, my lord. So I have the instruction to, my lord, to concede to the writ petition, my lord, 58, my lord. That is my submission.
Instruction to consider.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. So that is in 58.
Yes, my lord.
You're the standing counsel for?
RD, my lord, rural development.
So in that case,
My lord.
if you concede,
Yes, my lord.
in that case, he will be supplying,
Yes, my lord.
correct?
Yes, my lord.
Because the petition becomes over.
Yes, yes,
The petition will be allowed.
yes, my lord. Allowed.
So in that case, he will supply
Yes, my
the
lord.
materials.
Yes, my lord.
Okay?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. You please take down their names. This is 58.
Yes, 58. my lord.
What about 63?
Yes. 63, my lord, what I say, my lord, there are so many subsequent developments which has not been challenged, my lord.
So 63, where is that, where is that order? Which
LOI, my lord.
actually the LOI was seen? Which is that order? Page number 26.
Order, my lord, order.
WPC 49.
Order would be page 33, my lord.
Huh?
In earlier, yes,
Ah.
my lord. Yeah, page 49, my lord. Or 33, my lord.
WPC 49.
Yes, page
Ah.
33.
So here LOI dated 8/1/2024.
Yes, my lord.
We pass the same order, we make it uniform and we list it along with WPC 49/2024.
My lord, what I say, my lord, is that they have not challenged the, my lord, comparative statement prepared by the authorities concerned.
And you have not challenged this WPC 49/2024.
No, I am with instruction, my lord, because instruction, my lord, in the writ petition number 58, there is already the record is there.
Mr. Learned Counsel,
Yes, my lord.
instead of confusing things,
My lord.
I think let us actually maintain a uniformity
My lord.
with all these cases. And let us list all these cases along with WPC 63, AP 2020. Those cases which are challenging the LOI,
My lord.
8/2/2024. And because actually in this 49, we have already stated the LOI.
My lord.
So in other cases, we cannot take a different stand.
Well, at that time, I did not have any instruction, my lord.
But what about this order 49 in WPC 49/2024? So let
Yes,
us
sir.
maintain a uniformity.
My lord.
We'll maintain a uniformity. We'll state this and then we'll list it with WPC 49/2024.
May I please, your lordship? 49 is listed today, my lord. It's listed today, Lordship.
That's-
They have filed for, my lord, for review of, for vacation of interim
Vacation
order.
of interim.
Oh,
It has been listed today, Lordship. In item number 19 to 23, Lordship. In orders column, Lordship.
okay. We will issue notice on that.
Lordship.
We'll file the flag. Yes. This, why so many cases regarding this, this packages, oh?
If your Lordship may allow me to just to give it 1 minute, Lordship, I'll just show one document, Lordship. Everything will be clear, Lordship.
Your case is over.
Lordship, now, Lordship, when this matter will come, I'll clarify your Lordship.
Which case?
That's from item number 19 to 23, Lordship. I have filed an IA, Lordship. Today's matter, Lordship.
Okay, when that come, let us hear.
Lordship.
So 63, we are passing the same order as in 49, 2024.
Yes.
Because your IA will give notice, will issue notice, if it is for modification, vacation of the interim order.
Lordship, if your Lordship will pass an interim order, Lordship, in item number 2, Lordship, it will again create a Lordship, the confusion, Lordship. Because in item number 1, Lordship, I'm challenging the order which has been.
No confusion. It will be in uniformity with this 49. No confusion. In fact, you are trying to confuse. Okay, we'll stay.
Well,
Okay.
nice.
Take this forward. I don't know for you. Yes, what is the case?
My lord, this is for quashing and setting aside of the impugned order dated 30 January 2024, passed by the respondent number 2. So, my lord, what has happened in this case is that the petitioner was granted a LPC, 2 LPC in the year 2003. Thereafter, she was in the position after getting the LPC, she was in the position. Thereafter on, my lord, will come to page number.
First, give me the gist of your case.
Gist of the
Let
case.
me understand.
Yes, my lord, this on the respondent number 3 to 5. They are the sons of the petitioner, and they have filed one complaint before the respondent number 2, Deputy Commissioner, say intimating that her mother, their mother, petitioner, is a non to cancel the LPC on the ground that she is a non-APST. So on the at the BS of the
She's a
non-APST,
non-APST means
non-earnestly,
non-Arunachal.
non-indigenous people of our
Non-indigenous. And who are the respondent number 3 and 5?
respondent, they are the sons of this petitioner.
So they themselves are not non-indigenous.
Yes, that is. Because on the basis of their complaint, this respondent number 2 issued a notice saying that the complaint has been received by these 3 private respondents to cancel the LPC and to submit the written reply. And my lord, the petitioner, the mother is 68 years old and his health is also not well. So he has taken and to file the reply on January, he has received the notice from the respondent number 2 on 30 January 2023, 30 December 2023, and to file the reply and directed the petitioner to file the reply by 3 January 2024. So there, the petitioner took some time saying that I am not in a position to file a reply since I am ill now. So the date was again fixed on 17 January 2024. So on 17
after recovering, the petitioner, after recovering from her ill, she realized that she, when the notice was, she has noticed, the petitioner has received a notice, but she was not provided with the complaint along with the document filed by her three sons, the respondent number 3 to 5. So she requested the respondent number 2 to provide the complaint and the document related so that she could file an appropriate reply. Thereafter, the respondent number 2, without fixing any date, without any intimation, without giving her any chance to reply, give opportunity to reply, by order dated 30 January 2024, her LPC, 2 LPC was cancelled. So,
Yes, ma'am, what is the case? Explain.
Lordship, before cancelling the LPC, Lordship, notice was
What is
issued.
the, let me know the facts from your side.
Since your Lordship, their mother is a non-APST, Lordship.
Then
So-
the son is also non-APST.
No, because their petitioner's husband, your Lordship, is Arunachali, your Lordship. He's expired, your Lordship. Wife,
Mother is a-
wife is non-APST,
Mother
the
a
husband is,
non-APST.
yes, husband is APST.
And.
But the sons, they are all APST.
The husband of the mother is APST.
Yes, your Lordship.
So why not? Why, you don't give that APST rights to the mother?
my lord, she got married before
Though
the,
she's
Arunachal
married, your
Pradesh
Lordship, but
bifurcated
he's,
in the year 1970s.
he's,
Since then, the land was in her possession. Before her birth, there was respondent number birth. She was in possession, self-acquired property.
though she is married to APST, Lordship, he herself is
She
not.
means, ma'am, kindly let me know. She means the mother of the
Mother.
respondent.
Yes. She is not scheduled tribe, your Lordship.
Oh,
By
she is
birth.
not scheduled tribe, but
Yes.
married to a scheduled tribe who
Scheduled
has
tribe.
expired.
Yes, your Lordship. So by marrying her status, your Lordship, cannot be changed, your Lordship. She
that-
still is non-APST, your Lordship.
My lord, is at this stage, whether she is a
It's a very
non-
strange, it's a very strange situation.
Yes.
The mother not APST, the son APST.
Yes,
because
because
of the
their
father.
father, yes, because of the father, your Lordship.
I don't know. whether-
this is something new which I've come to.
At this stage, your Lordship, notice may be issued, your Lordship.
My lord, if we see the impugned order, if the interim stay is not granted, then they are directed, the petitioner was directed to produce the original land passbook, LPC. So if the
When were you granted LPC?
2003,
2003,
22/7,
In your name?
2003.
in your name?
Yes, Akuni Typodia, not in the non-APST name,
Not in the name of your husband.
not in the
Not-
name of my husband. But the wife of the late Karlu Typodia, who is the one of the
So
famous
this
And
ex-minister,
Akuni Tapodia.
Akoni Typodia. Surname is Akodi.
LPC was granted in the name of Akuni Tapodia.
Yes.
yeah.
There is no any record in the record which suggests that
You
he
go to
is,
civil court. You go to civil court.
yes, civil, in the civil court,
Huh?
my lord, there is in the civil court, suit is pending there
Oh,
with respect to this one of the scheduled land A, LPC. What they did is that fraudulently they have obtained one LPC,
so your dispute is only relating to Schedule A land,
A land,
not the B land
and B land also they have cancelled it now.
by the impugned order 30.
Yes, yes. And with regard to LPC, with regard to impugned LPC, measuring 2.1 hectare, one of the LPC, the suit is pending before the civil court at Pasigat. And initially, the court has passed,
Who has filed the suit in Pasigat?
petitioner has instituted a suit.
Petitioner has instituted a
A
suit
suit
for what?
for cancellation of LPC illegally obtained by the by the respondent number 3 out of the LPC of the petitioner.
Not a suit for declaration of right title. in
Yes,
interest.
suit for declaration of right title interest and
And what
court-
is the status of that suit?
it is pending. And this on and status quo was also granted.
Why don't you go and seek interim injunction
And
against
no, no.
those encroachers, as you allege?
And thereafter, the status quo was granted, and again the status quo was vacated. And against
Vacated
that,
by whom?
vacated by the civil court.
Granted by the civil court, vacated by the civil court.
Yes, again, against that order, vacated order, we have appealed before this honorable court. And this honorable court on 31st January 2024 has passed the status quo order. Since the suit is pending in the civil court, so subject matter of the suit has to be preserved. So
Madam,
the suit is still,
during the pendency of the suit,
My
would it
lord-
be wise for the deputy commissioner to cancel the LPC of the petitioner? When the very question of right title and interest of the petitioner is an issue, is it not sub judice?
Maybe DC is not aware of the
Ah,
pendency
that's
of
what
the
I,
suit, Your Lordship.
okay.
my lord, what they did
Under-
during the pendency of the suit and during the operation of the status quo and in the teeth of the status quo order, these three brothers connived together and they file a complaint before the deputy commissioner, who is the respondent number 2. And they have misled the respondent number 2 to get the illegal order. They have not revealed that the suit is pending before the civil court, competent court, and they have not also informed the respondent number 2 that status quo order is with respect to the civil land is maintained by this honorable court, passed by this honorable court.
Let us see whether any order has been passed by the civil court. Let us see whether
That is-
any order has been
Your
passed
Lordship, that is why notice was issued to the private petitioner, Your Lordship,
by,
to reply by the DC, Your Lordship,
no, not by.
to
this-
submit
we are
the
not,
reply, Your Lordship.
Just wait, no, irrespective of whether the petitioner was asked to file reply or not, irrespective of the steps taken by the deputy commissioner, when the civil suit is pending before the trial court,
Lordship.
whether it will be proper for the deputy commissioner to pass any order, that is the issue now.
And the same complaint has been filed by the sons before the DC that
No, that's okay. that's
their
okay,
mother
yeah.
has obtained LPC by not informing the children, Your Lordship.
No, that's okay, but when the suit is pending, I feel that actually it will not be proper for the deputy commissioner to pass such an order. The parties should go and contest their rights.
But
before
as
the-
he has said, Your Lord, already status quo order is there, Your Lordship.
No,
by the-
status quo is passed by the High Court.
Yes, Your Lordship. So it's
But the
already there.
main suit is there. The
Yes.
main suit is pending before the trial court.
The notice may be issued, Your Lordship. We'll file our affidavit, Your Lordship.
What about the impugn order?
Status quo order is already
the-
there.
no,
Your
no, no,
Lordship. Why
status quo.
already, Your Lordship, cancel by this order?
Status quo
LPC has
is
been
there.
cancelled, Your
Status quo means to be as you are.
Yes, Your
To
Lordship.
be as you are.
Yes,
That is there.
yes.
But the issue is when actually the civil suit is pending before the trial court. Should the DC not at least restrain himself from cancelling the LPC of the petitioner? The matter should be adjudicated by the civil court.
Lordship.
If not, what is the purpose of actually filing the suit before the civil court? Let us see whether any order has been passed by the civil court. Let us see.
My lord, page
Which
number
page?
44. Title suit was filed by title suit number 17/2023 for a right in, for a declaration of right.
Let's wait 46. 48.
Your Lordship, this is not the petitioner, Your Lordship, Dr. Bobby Taipodia. Petitioner is Akoni Taipodia, Your Lordship.
Who is this Bopi?
Bobby Taipodia
this is one of the most necessary parties in the, ought to have been the party in the proceeding before the respondent number 2. This LPC,
No, who is Bopi?
daughter of the
Taipodia?
petitioner, daughter of the
Doctor.
petitioner,
Daughter of the
petitioner.
petitioner to whom the petitioner has gifted the land.
Yes, petitioner has gifted the land to her daughter.
This, so if the LPC issue to the petitioner is cancelled, it impliedly means that the LPC of Bobi Taipodi also stands cancelled.
Stand cancelled.
So what is this order? This order
This suit was filed for declaration of right in
accordingly
this
is allowed.
title.
Ex parte, yes, this order, this ex parte interim injunction was allowed in your favor.
Yes,
So after that, you are in possession.
I am in position, but with regard to this particular suit, they have also fraudulently obtained one LPC, and they have forcefully entered into possession of the suit land, and they have started the construction. So with
No. After this order dated 9/8/2023, whether any order has been passed by this trial court, whether any other order has been passed,
no,
this order is still standing.
this order was vacated.
Oh, vacated by which order?
That order was this order, my lord, will come to case number 51.
51. No,
51, paragraph 13. I have considered the submission of the petitioner with circumstances, and it appears that suit property ought to be preserved at this juncture. As the original title suit is still pending in the trial court, it is submitted that opposite party has started the construction work after the order dated 4/10/2023 was passed. On 4/10/2020, the status quo was vacated. So
Acha,
today we
yes,
have
yes, so this IA 3271
3271.
was filed against the vacation of the interim injunction.
Yes,
And in this 3271, the
status quo was.
High Court has directed status quo.
Yes.
Whether this 3271 is still pending before this court.
Yes, still pending, and
And,
the
what
honorable
is the
court
main
had
case? What-
extended the status quo order.
What is the main case? This is IA 3271. What is the
Yes.
main case?
The main case is for a declaration of right during the pendency of the,
Before the High Court. What is the main case? This IA, you have only filed this IA against the vacation order.
against the order also.
Have you filed any appeal? Have you filed any revision against the vacation order?
Yes, my lord, but we have not put that order in the next that if we can bring.
It seems you have not studied your case.
My lord, before my case is limited to the principle of natural justice. Before cancellation,
Before
I
natural
was
justice, I have to understand. Before giving you that relief, I have to understand without understanding your case. How do I just blindly give you any relief saying that there is violation of natural justice? You have actually come before this court limiting your submission to natural justice. That is why you are not being, you are not been able to actually guide me properly through the facts.
Your Honor, in the next date, we have appeal against this order. And
Well,
in the
we'll list it
appeal,
again on Monday. You come prepared. I want to help you. But you will also have to help me.
my lord, then interim in
Yeah,
the,
Mr. Leonard Council.
against the, my lord, against the order, vacated order. My lord, we have filed, but we have only annexed the.
You come prepared on Monday, okay? I want to help you, but I also want to actually know the facts of this case properly. Because actually, whenever a civil suit, this landed matters are involved, they involve lots of facts. Everybody wants land.
By Monday, I'll bring the copy of the appeal.
You actually get apprised of the facts of your case and come and make proper submission. Okay.
Yes, my lord. My lord, then in
listed-
prayer
listed-
maybe.
List it again on, what is Monday? 19. Listed, okay, 20. Let us list it again on. Why holiday? So much of holiday, nice.
My lord, it may be listed after 2025.
In that case, you will be out.
Yeah.
What is,
19.
what is 20,
21.
where's the calendar? This is, okay. This, 20, okay. This one is.
20 state.
This is also Itanagar, huh?
Oh, sorry.
Huh? This is also Itanagar. We'll list it on 21. Come prepared. Okay.
Okay, my lord.
Heard, Mr. So-and-so. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
They come to motion for respondent number 1.
So-and-so, standing counsel,
Yes, sir.
which department?
Land management department.
Standing counsel, land management department. And MS so-and-so, Learned government advocate.
Yes, Your Lordship,
For
for
the
two.
respondent number
2.
2. List it again on
21st.
21. 22. Let us fix it on Thursday. No. 21. Okay, 21. List it again on 21 to 2024. Till then. The Deputy Commissioner, Lower Siang District, Likabali, shall not give effect to the order dated 31/20/24. Cancelling the LPC of the petitioner. And also directing the petitioner to surrender her LPC in original. Okay. At last, we let the impugn order remain suspended till that day. We'll hear you, okay? Okay.
Much obliged.
Come prepared, come prepared.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord.
Yeah. Well, this matter may be disposed of.
What?
On many occasions, well, this respondent, well, CGC was directed, or DSGI was directed to take only instruction on.
Who was directed?
DSGI.
Mr. Kato.
Yes.
Who was Kato?
Well, my simple facts, my lord. What happened, my lord, for construction road from BCT, my lord, Balipara, Charduar to Tawang, my lord. The land acquisition process was initiated, my lord. Thereafter, what happened, my lord, my lord, verification was done, my lord. Assessment was carried out, my lord. Now, after assessment, my lord, it was submitted before the grief authorities, my lord. in the year 2018, my lord.
Uh-huh.
Since then till date, my lord, I have not been paid compensation. My lord. They have not even decided to pay me compensation or not. My lord. So my only prayer is direct them to decide whether they want to acquire my land or not. My lord.
Your land has been acquired or no?
Yeah,
Not
my lord,
yet acquired.
they have only made the assessment, my lord.
They may not acquire. I think they have no interest to acquire your land.
Well, but the left hand side and right hand side of my lord, land has been acquired, my lord.
Yes, what is your case? You're for the government?
I'm for the, yes, Your Lordship.
For the government?
Yes.
And
We-
Learned Council, you're for?
Also, I have respondent number one also.
One. One is,
Land Department Secretary.
who is for the union? Union is important here.
Yes, union is in fact imported here also. Without hearing Mr. Katol also.
Four. Mr. Tado, yesterday I've observed is very slippery. Morning he'll be here, afternoon after sometime he is gone. It's very difficult to gauge him.
My lord, page 24 is my prayer, my lord. My only prayer, my lord. Page
But
20.
your prayer is aimed at the Union of India is not present.
That's why, my lord, this is not my lord, a serious direction, my lord, but just a simple direction.
What is the difference between simple and serious direction?
The seriousness would cause hardship to the
India is 4 and is granted you the effect of to obtain instruction.
They have to only decide, my lord, whether they want to acquire the land or not, my lord. Because page 34, my lord, the assessment was carried out, the grip authorities was there.
If they say,
Yes, my lord.
if they take a stand that they do not want to acquire your land,
But my case is finished, my lord. Yes,
the petition becomes infructuous.
yes, my lord. So why this direction, my lord? Only, my lord. I'm only seeking this direction, my lord.
So if you want money, at least wait for some time for Mr. Kato.
2018, my lord, 2024 now, my lord.
He may come with some good news for you.
Only direction, my lord, that would suffice for me.
Anyone on behalf of Mr. M. Kato?
Yes, he is very personal difficulty. Unable to prepare.
Please tell him that the court was making an observation that is very slippery. Tell him the court wants to see his face next time, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Mr. M. Kato, the learned DSGI is granted another 2 weeks' time to obtain necessary instruction. To obtain necessary instructions, stop listed after 2 weeks.
Man, obliged.
The pleadings are complete here. Pleadings are complete.
Yes.
Rejoinder affidavit not yet filed.
They are not going to fight.
Are you not filing?
Let the matter be fixed for hearing. In the meantime, if,
You are, tell me whether you will be filing rejoinder affidavit.
no, because,
Don't take chance.
my lord, because, my lord, the Secretary Land Management has yet to file the affidavit. That's why, my lord.
Oh, secretary, the government. Who is for the government?
Other Deputy Commissioner and the NHPC, they have filed the affidavit, my lord.
So the main people are yet to file their affidavit. Yes, who is for the land acquisition collector? Deputy Commissioner?
It is Deputy Commissioner.
I am for the.
There's only one respondent.
No, there are.
Only one oh, okay, just National Hydropower Corporation, 2. Only 2.
Oh, yes, my lord.
Correct, only 2.
Yes, I'm extremely sorry, my lord. My lord, only respondent is my lord. that-
Only respondent one and two.
Yes, exactly. No,
Correct.
One.
here in-
One, my lord.
yeah.
Two impleted.
Oh. I'm sorry.
National Hydropower Corporation. Impleted respondent number 2 by Honorable Court's Order 26/4/2022. Who is the counsel for the petitioner?
I'm
You must have prayed for impleadment.
so extremely sorry, my lord. My lord, in the winter, in that.
No, have you issued notice?
Yeah.
To respondent number 2?
Yes, yes.
Have you issued? Have you taken steps?
In fact, we have immediate ourselves NSPC.
Oh, you are for the
NSPC.
NHPC?
Yes.
Make that submission. Have you filed your?
Yes, already.
Already? What about number 1?
Yes, they have also filed.
Number one is also filed, my lord.
Number 1 also filed?
Yes, sir.
Affidavit?
Yes, sir.
This 2 also filed? NHPC? Okay. So you
My lord.
will not be filing your affidavit. It seems you have not gone through your file.
Yes. Other thing, my lord.
Rejoinder
In the meantime, we'll file there.
for filing rejoinder.
Right.
Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner, 6 for 3 weeks time to file rejoinder affidavit. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, who is for the petitioner?
My lord, last occasion also they remain absent, my lord.
None appears for the petitioner. Stop. It is seen from the order dated 28/8/2023. That even on that day, the petitioner did not appear. Listed after 2 weeks. April.
May I please, my lord? I'm
Yes.
for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, may kindly see the office note dated 15/6/23.
15/6.
23. We have taken the fresh steps.
15/6.
15/6/2023.
15/6. Yeah, certified has taken fresh steps upon respondent number 4, 5, and 6.
Thereafter, my lord, on 4/10/23, we have been directed to furnish extra copies to the government. We have also done that.
What about the 4 service report in respect of respondent number 4, 5, and 6?
Yes, my lord.
Await-
Service report is still
4,
awaited.
5, and 6.
My lord, we have taken fresh step. My lord, presumption may be drawn that deemed service.
Before drawing presumption, let me see the records.
My lord.
4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, 4, 5.
4/5 is NHPC.
4, 5, and 6.
Yes.
What is 6?
6 is the father of the petitioner.
Only 5? Promote this 6 is
The private party.
four, 5, 6. Pro forma.
Performer, father of the petition, but 4 and 5 are NHPC. And we have sent the notice on the proper address as after the fresh steps were taken. Even today, they are not represented. So it may be deemed, presumed deemed served.
You take steps by paper publication. Then only after that we will pass that order, deemed so. Okay,
Then I may be allowed to take another fresh statement.
Paper publication takes steps. I think that will be more authentic.
Matlab in local daily or in some.
This is where.
This is
Faridabad,
in, that is a difficulty.
4-5.
Yes.
Five.
And ma-
Five is in lower Dibang Valley
my
in
lord,
Arunachal.
my lord, their office. My lord, I maybe allow another one more opportunity to take steps because even paper publication will cost.
By registered post.
My lord, because it will take another hardship for the petitioner as he is not from a well-to-do background. And even government has to file their affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship, I'm preparing for respondent number 3, Your Lordship.
3.
We are waiting for our instructions, Your Lordship.
Okay. And yes, Learned Council. You are standing council for
For land management department,
land management. 2.
1 and 2.
1 and 3. What about 6?
6 has been made party because pro forma is the father of the petitioner. It's requiring the land.
So there must be some something very serious between the petitioner and his father.
My lord, he's been, I have to go through the brief again because today, as there was
So you take steps on 6 also.
4, 5, 6 again.
4, 5, 6.
My lord.
Yes, what about your affidavit? Will you be filing?
No.
No filing. Only DC.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so. Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that. He may once again be allowed to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 4, 5, and 6. Prayer is allowed. The petitioner is allowed to take steps. Allowed to take fresh steps upon respondent number 4, 5, and 6 by registered post with AD within a period of
1 week.
within a period of 7 days from today. Mr. So-and-so, standing counsel, Land Management Department appears for respondent number 1 and 2, and MS so-and-so, Learned Government Advocate appears for the respondent number 3. So, the Learned Government Advocate for the respondent number 3, 6 for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Listed after 3 weeks.
My lord, may I pray if I serve upon the for the next fresh step, can in the order, can it be reflected that it may be presumed served if it is
No, not at least let us wait for that day.
My lord.
Let us wait for that day, okay?
My lord. Highly open.
Sorry to, sir, Lordship, actually, just now I have received instruction via WhatsApp by NSPC. Right now.
This case?
Yes,
Ah,
that I have to appear. So no notice, no.
oh, then it is so you are safe. What about
That means steps
6?
6 is pro forma, man. Then only number 6, yes, I can do registered
Okay,
or through Dusty.
so 4, 5, ma'am?
4, 5 is
cancel.
represented today.
So only 6, okay?
Only 6.
Only 6.
After 3 weeks, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, since NSPC has to route the affidavit to Delhi, so at least 4 weeks time maybe.
So for the government advocate, you just write MS so-and-so. Learned Government Advocate, 6 for some time, not 3 weeks' time, okay? To file affidavit. Mr. So-and-so, the Learned Counsel for the respondent number 4 and 5 also submits that he may be granted sufficient time to file affidavit in opposition. Four weeks' time is accordingly granted to the respondent number 3, 4, and 5 to file their respective affidavit.
Highly obliged.
My lord, in this matter,
What is? You're for the petitioner?
Yes. We have received the affidavit in opposition, so Your Honor, some time may be given for file
Affidavit
rejoinder.
in opposition filed by,
Respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, Lord.
you're for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6.
Yes, Lord.
Government,
Yes, Apex University, Lordship.
Apex University. And ma'am, you're for the government. Will it be necessary for you to file affidavit?
Yes, Lord. We have filed.
You have filed.
I
mean,
mean, 10, 11, and 12.
Okay, so the rejoinder affidavit
Yes,
to the affidavit filed by the respondents. Correct?
yes.
Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be granted 3 weeks' time to file rejoinder affidavit to the affidavit filed by the respondents. Prayer is allowed, listed after 3 weeks. Okay, obliged. What does this contain, ma'am? Have you complied?
No.
Service in respect of respondent number 1 and 2 still awaited. Who is 1, 2?
One is Chief Engineering, Lordship.
Chief
Engineering PWD.
Chief Engineer? Yes.
Eastern Jones.
You are for ma'am?
3, Lordship. I have been instructed this morning to appear for respondent number 3, Lordship. So
Well, why not 1, 2?
No,
Why not?
I have no instruction, Lordship.
Huh? Because 1 is chief engineer, 2 is superintendent engineer, 3 is executive engineer.
I understand,
Huh?
Lordship. I have instruction from
So I think
from 3 only.
it's a
Lordship.
cat and mouse game. Okay.
I don't know if the service is complete or not for 1 and 2.
1 and 2, no. Service report.
I have not filed my wakalatnama. I will be filing soon. This morning only.
MS. So. You don't appear as a government advocate
No, Lordship.
in person,
Yes,
like in a individual as a lawyer.
last Lordship.
Okay. MS.
GL Lordship.
So. Learned Counsel submits that he has been engaged to represent the respondent number 3 and will be filing his power in the course of the day.
No, Lordship, because this is long-term.
Okay.
The
How
petitioner
many
has to
days?
come. The contempt not
How many
state-
days you require?
Lordship, week's time.
And will be filing his power, her power in a week's time. Stop. Office note dated 9/2/2024 states that service report in respect of respondent number 1 and 2 are still awaited. Listed after 3 weeks.
Applies.
Here, Your Lordship, I may be granted some more time to file our affidavit, Your Lordship.
To the government.
My lord will kindly pay this the last order, my lord, 5/1/2024, my lord.
Same the order dated 5/1/2024. In view of the submission, stop. In view of the submission made by Mr.
Waideram.
So and so, the learned
1, 5, 6, 7, and 8, Your Lordship.
learned government advocate,
Yes, Your Lordship.
the learned government advocate for the respondent number
1, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
1, 5, 6, 7, and 8. What about 2, 3, 4?
I'm for 2, 3, and 4. My humble submission, my lord, next date, let the matter be listed in admission
And
column, my
Mr.
lord.
What was the? Kindly read. For the respondent number so and so, And Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the respondent number 2, 3, and 4. Last chance of 3 weeks' time is granted to the respondents to file their respective affidavit in opposition. It is made clear that if no affidavit is filed by the respondents, the order dated 5/1/2024 passed by this court shall be enforced.
May I pray, my lord, this be listed admission column, my lord.
Pardon?
Admission column, my lord, next date, my lord.
Pardon?
In admission column, my lord, this be listed.
They'll be listed as usual. Okay.
Probably.
May I please? Your Lordship, this morning I have received the copy of the counter affidavit filed by the private respondent number 7. However, the state respondent are yet to file their counter affidavit.
Lordship, we have received our instructions. Your Lordship may give some time to file our affidavit.
Respondent number 7. Madam, you're for respondent number 7?
Yes, I'm appearing for respondent number 7.
Oh, it's such a long course title. You're for ma'am? Respondent
I'm
number?
for 1 to 6.
1, 2, 6. And ma'am, you're for 7.
Yes.
You file your affidavit.
Yes, sir.
Are you filing rejoinder?
Yes, Your Lordship. In the meantime, we'll start.
MS so-and-so. The learned government advocate. 6 for 3 weeks' time. Or 6 for some time to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of respondent number 1 to 6. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner, also 6 for some time to file rejoinder affidavit to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 7. Stop. Listed after 3 weeks for enabling the learned counsel for the learned counsel for the petitioner as well as the learned counsel for the state respondents to file their respective affidavit. Okay.
Your Lordship, in the meantime, interim order dated 5/1/24 may be continued.
The interim order, stop. The interim order past 3rd year shall continue till the next returnable date. Okay.
Obliged.
What is this again?
May I please, Your Lordship?
Hmm.
Your Lordship,
What is this?
for the Lordship convenient, Lordship may kindly taken up the matter, item number 22 and 23, Lordship. It will clear, it will clear for everything.
This is listed for the first time.
No, Lordship, this WPC 56 and 57 is listed for the second time, Lordship.
No, this.
IA, yes, Lordship.
Oh, this IA.
IA, Lordship. Lordship may kindly taken up.
Who has filed the IA?
Me, Lordship.
For what?
Lordship, basically this application, Lordship, the file for the implement of the respondent as a respondent number 5 to the project director, Lordship, on the ground of malafide, Lordship. Now, the Lordship may kindly.
Just wait. Nodal officer.
Lordship, this item number 19, Lordship, is
Just wait, let me first understand.
Lordship.
You're for?
Standing counsel.
You're for?
I'm for a private respondent, lordship will file reply.
Private respondent for which? Private respondent?
Uh,
Number
Respondent number
1.
yes.
Okay.
On the instruction of private respondent, I'm appearing today. I'll be filing reply. And after that, hearing may be taken. That's it.
What is your stand? You are
My lord,
neutral.
my lord, this, to clear the confusion, my lord, this item number 21 and 22 may be disposed of, my lord.
Item
21 and 22.
what?
Because here also the same prayer has been made as like of item number 1, my lord.
Challenging the same order, lordship.
Yes, item number 1 to this item number 1.
Item number 22 and
Item number 21 and 22, my lord.
21 and 22.
Yes, my lord.
Are you in agreement with that? Are you in agreement?
No, lordship.
No,
Yes, lordship. I'm agree with that, lordship.
like as in item 1.
Item
Yes,
one,
one.
lordship. Yes, lordship.
Because we are conceding.
So item 21, 22.
Disposed,
If we dispose,
my lord.
will it not affect your interest? Yes, Leonard Council. Will it not affect your interest?
No, lordship.
He is not the party here.
He is not the party.
Yes,
So it will not affect your interest.
yes.
Okay, 21, 22 will dispose on the same line as item number 1.
Yes,
Lordship.
No?
yes, yes. Number 1.
Then this item 19,
Yes, lordship.
then 19, item 19 only survives.
19 and
19 and lordship 23, lordship.
19 and 23. 23 also is for modification.
Yes.
Who is, you are there
Yes.
for the opposite party.
Yes.
Heard, Mr. So-and-so? Learned counsel for the applicant. This application has been filed under Article 226, clause 3 of the Constitution of India for vacation/modification, alteration of the order dated 5/2/2024, passed by this court in WPC 49 AP of 2024. Mr. Your good name, your Mr. So-and-so appears for the respondent number 1.
Private respondent.
And Mr. So-and-so, learner standing counsel.
For, my lord,
You are standing counsel for
RD department.
learner standing counsel, RD department. Appears for the respondent number.
My lord, to
3 to 8. 3 to 8.
yes, my lord.
What about 2?
2 is the state, my lord.
3 to 8.
3 to 8, yes. my lord. Two will be represented by her.
Okay, MS so-and-so. Accept notice on behalf of respondent number 2. So objection will be filed only by
Yes.
1.
Yes.
Lordship, this matter may be fixed on 21, lordship. As because lordship, the application which I filed.
Mr.
before the-
So-and-so.
Yes.
Where is that order which was passed in 49?
Oh, my lord, LOI was state, my lord.
Where is that order?
That order must be with the front.
Where is that order? You have a,
It must be in the IA, my lord, because it has been sought for modification, my lord.
Also, we'll find page number 25, lordship.
25 it's there.
okay. So the learned counsel for the petitioner shall furnish, the learned counsel for the applicant shall furnish the requisite copies of the application to the learned counsel for the opposite parties within.
I've already furnished, Lordship. They have already received the copy. Lordship.
Okay, shall furnish the copy of the application in the course of the day. Yes.
Lordship, this matter may be taken up on 21, Lordship. Because Lordship, the application I have filed. Lordship.
Mr. So-and-so, please wait, Mr. So-and-so. Why are you trying to let this court get confused by fixing different dates?
I'm deeply.
Then the opposite party number 1. 6 for some time to file to file objection to the application. Listed along with WPC 49/2024. Stop. The registry shall fix the present application in terms of the order dated 5/2/2024 passed by this court in WPC 49/2024. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Specific date may be given. my lord.
No specific date, 49. What is 49 after 3 weeks?
After 3 weeks, my
So
lord.
I have said, tag it, list it together.
Then Lordship,
There are one case listed today, tomorrow one case, day after tomorrow
No,
one
my
case.
lord, after
Lordship,
3 weeks would be, my lord.
May I, Lordship? Lordship,
22.
the application which I have filed before this honorable court, Lordship, that is invoking 226 subclause 3, Lordship. Then the subclause 3 says that, Lordship, the after receiving of the filing of the IA, Lordship, for vacation of the interim order passed by the ex parte interim order, Lordship, it has to be disposed within period of 2 weeks, Lordship.
So 2 weeks will come because actually that order was passed when?
On 5.
On 5/2, Lordship. That is why, Lordship, even the parties they are.
Okay, let me not get confused with all those technicalities. Yes, sir. What about the other IA? Same.
Same, my sir.
Same. IA.
30.
IA
30. Item number 3, item number 23.
30 of 2024. Same order, man.
Yes.
Well, yes, next. This is 30. So same order, 30. 30 same order.
IA 30, yes, my lord. Item number 23, my lord.
Item 23, same order. As item?
Item 19.
As item 19.
Yes.
So this 21, 22 disposed.
Disposed.
You are trying to have the cake and eat it too, everything you want to have. Huh? At least keep something for others. He is conceding to you. Huh?
Lordship.
He is considering your petition. So at least you also keep something for him. Huh? Why do you want to have everything? Okay, thank you.